what's in my Picky Kids lunch today. This is what Jaclyn eats for lunch. Today we have a baggie of Doritos in my container that I save and reuse, bananas and raspberries, some eclairs, bread dippers, M&M cookies, Jaclyn's chocolate milk by Nesquik, and a fruit by the foot. Jaclyn has not been eating the sandwiches, so I'm not going to pack them for a while. Just a bunch of foods that are somewhat healthy, like the fruit. And I'm going to put in for Doritos, bread dippers, and eclairs for Jaclyn's lunch today. Don't forget, when we get to 800, we're going to issue out 2 $10 Dollar Tree gift cards, one for new subscribers, one for comments. If you are new, you must comment you are new in order to qualify and be a U.S. citizen. If you comment, you must already be subscribed and be a U.S. citizen. We are getting closer every day to 800, and I really appreciate everyone's support.